actually, just a spontaneous trip. Like, I had something in my mind that I want to go to a place, and I just, booked a train today after I came from a shoot at around 4 to 5. And then by the time I backed, I forgot that I had to pick up something from Decathlon, and I had to go all the way back to Decathlon, and I missed my train because of that. I just somehow made up my mind, cryingly bought a flight ticket because it is pretty expensive right now, like about 6.5, but somehow I got a last minute deal of 5.3, so I kind of thought it is a good deal and just bought it. But yeah, so now I'm going to Delhi. I really hope the sun doesn't rise before we take off. I've always missed sunrises. Hopefully I catch one this one at the least. I love Delhi airport because of these things. They have lot of arts. They have so many beautiful things to see. I mean, you can literally see, give half day for the airport itself, and it's that good. I have been trying to take this thing off of my bag. It's taking me forever, and the weather here is so freaking hot that I'm already sweating like a jackass. I know I'm sweating like a jackass, but this is the idiot I was talking about all the while.
Hi.
Hi.
No, zoom in so much.
Hi. Okay, so I'm leaving. One of my other friend is dropping me till Kashmiri Gate, and I'm directly going till Rocking PO. That is 18-hour journey in an ordinary HRTC bus. She wanted me to show her house, so this is her house, and that's her kitchen, and that's her washroom. Happy? Where are you? Oh, happy?
I'm very happy.
She's happy.
Go, get
Tata,
lost.
bye.
Get lost.
Bye. It's like 35 degrees here. I mean, I came in a metro. It took me like an hour from Huda City metro station, I guess. Wow, what a ride, man. The metro was pretty cool, so I had a little bit of fun. Right here, the counter behind me is for HRTC. I hope so, I'm not sure. So let's see. I'm just waiting for a friend. I'm not sure if he's coming. He told me that he'll be coming to pick me up near Huda City, but he called me again, and he asked me to wait near Kashmiri Gate so that I can at least meet me. Seems like he got caught by cops or something like that. Now my bus is at 8 o'clock. I left a little early so that I get to know the station a little better this time, because the last time I came I just had like an hour to go and it was not enough. I'm not able to talk because I'm very tired. It's hectic hot. I have like this big towel to do this. I already finished like 1.5 bottle. I need to go fill my water bottle now. Well, that's it for now until I find my bus, or at least my bus comes in the station. So as I said, this was the HRTC, whatever you want to call it, counter or station or whatever. So this is Delhi Metro, sorry, this is ISPT Kashmiri bus stand, not metro. Wow, it's cool. Probably air conditioned. Yep, it is air conditioned. So my bus is at 8 o'clock and I'm about 3 hours early. I mean 4 hours actually, but I spent 1 hour there. So I'll probably sit here for another 2 hours, eat, sleep, drink. I mean, I don't know. If anything else is there, let me know. Everywhere in India, wherever you go, government officials, I can't call them as officials, but people who give you all the information about bus, train, metro, whatever it is, never give you properly. Sometimes they don't even know what to do, what to give. So I just wanted to ask, if there are buses from Rekongpio to the places I want to go to. So like, I don't know anything, just go and ask there. Like literally, this was his tone. Well, as you can see, this is completely air conditioned. It's a little better. I know I'm still sweating, like, I don't want to say that again, but yeah, it's still better. Right now I'll be waiting for another 3 hours, so let's see what happens. Until then, tata. What's up? I hope there's enough light that the GoPro is catching me. Not sure. Well, I have one small tip if anyone's coming from Delhi and going towards Shimla, especially in the night. So I know most of you guys are going to take mineral water, and these guys usually don't have their RO working, or at least in working condition for now. So they just give you untreated water from below and spoil your health. So just make sure you have a couple of bottles extra in your bag while you're living Delhi itself, because Delhi has many RO water filter restaurants, so you won't have that much of a problem. But here in, I don't know if you're in Haryana or Punjab, so you'll never get it. Anyway, that's my bus over there. Last 18 hours drive. I'm done with 4. Yeah, I'm done with 4. It's 12 o'clock and it's my birthday. Thank you for your wishes, and I'll see you tomorrow morning. So that's the bus that I came in. I hope you can hear me because there's too many people talking around. I'm talking in my mask. Backs are heavy as fuck, man. So one of my friends said this a hotel called Hotel Sairagin. So I think I'll be going there, and yeah, probably catch the bus for tomorrow. Let's see. The first thing is I need a room because I need to use the loo. Second, I need food. I'm hungry. Third, I need to change my clothes because I've been wearing the same shirt from past 24 hours and it's all dirty now. Cool. I'm gonna meet you in my room. So until then, tata.